कोई राह आसान चाहिए, ना कोई खास पहचान चाहिए। ना कोई राह आसान चाहिए, ना कोई खास पहचान चाहिए। इतनी सी दुआ है रब से, आपके चेहरे पर प्यारी सी मुस्कान चाहिए। With a lovely smile, welcome to all of you in Rajesh Kamal Spoken English Center. Today we have come back with Aapki Adalat Part 3 under the guidance of Mr. Vikram sir. We have a heart-touching and moral story. In this story, there is a family who has lack of money but lots of love to each other. You can see here.
Oh God, what to do now? At now, we have no money for giving the rent of our house.
Yeah, we also haven't paid the electricity bill and grocery bill also.
Okay, but you don't worry. We will manage. But you don't tell anything to our son. Let him study. Some money.
Papa, give me your pledge. Mummy, give me your pledge. And Papa, this is my joining letter. I got a job of an engineer, and now our all problem will be removed.
Wow, well done, son. Well done. I knew it. I knew it. You will get a job. Go ahead in your life, beta. Go ahead.
Thank you, Papa.
Thank God, finally you listened my prayer. My child got a job. I will surely go to temple for worshipping.
Wow, Bhaiya, congratulations.
Thanks.
Bhaiya, I'm getting late, so I'm going to school.
But why are you going to school, sister? Now our all problem will remove because I got a job of an engineer. So I wanna make you a doctor. So you focus on your dream.
So lucky we are, Bhaiya. I got as brother. Bhaiya, thank you so much.
Welcome.
Where are you, Rahul? Please come soon. I want to see you once. Please come soon. Please come soon.
Oh dear. Why are you taking too much tension? First of all, you have to take care of your health. Our son will come. Our son will come soon.
Why are you waiting, Papa, for him? He will not come and he will not do anything for us. What's about us? He's not coming and he's not understanding from which situation we are suffering. And he has changed his number. How can we call him? Tell me, Papa. I think we should go to police station and should file FIR against him.
No, beta. We shouldn't go.
Papa, I think we should go. So I'm going to police station.
No, beta. We shouldn't lodge FIR. We shouldn't go.
No, Papa, I'm going.
So guys, will she go to police station and file a case against her brother or not? Let's watch.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, ma'am, please take your seat.
Thank you, sir.
Are you okay?
Yes, I am okay.
Now tell me, ma'am, what happened? Why are you so upset?
Sir, actually, my name is Jaya and I have come from Sector 6B. I used to live with my parents. Sir, actually, I want to complain against my brother.
Tell me the whole matter.
Sir, matter is that my brother refused to complete his responsibility and promises towards parents. So that's why I just want to complain against him.
Okay, ma'am. Where are your parents and your elder brother?
Actually, my elder brother living out of the station and my parents living with me.
Okay, ma'am. Please don't worry. I have registered your complaint. After verifying this matter, I will take necessary and appropriate action. Police will help you.
Thank you, sir. so
Please,
much.
ma'am, go at your home.
Thank you, sir.
Case number 345, maintenance case. You will proceed now.
Your Honor, I am the offender of Mr. Sharma's family, who are now very helpless and they are facing lack of ability of everything because my client has mortgaged all his properties for his son's study. But now his engineer son refused to accept his family and his responsibility. So kindly, my lord, give justice to my client.
Your Honor, I am the defender of this case. My client, whose name is Rahul Sharma, he is a responsible, caring, and helpful person. He always cares to his family. That's why every month he sends proper and sufficient money to his family for their living. But even then, my lord, my client's parents against of him. Really, it's a strange thing, my lord. When my client is Rahul Sharma is always think about the betterment of his own family, but in this matter, his family is not cooperating him. So, my lord, this is really, it's a false case. I don't accept it. I'm thinking that it's a shut and open case. That's all, Your Honor.
I objection, my lord. Only sending rupees 5,000 is not enough to fulfill his own responsibility. So kindly, my lord, please give me permission to call my client.
Permission granted.
Please take oath. Whatever you will tell, everything will be truth and truth.
I do.
So, Mr. Sharma, please tell whole the truth in front of the court.
Namaste, Judge Sahab. I am helpless father. I had faced lots of problems, but I never thought my son will face same problem as me. That's why, Your Honor, I had given my whole property for his study. Yet now, Judge Sahab, I have no money. You tell me, Judge Sahab, how will I treatment to my sick wife? I have one daughter also. You tell me, Judge Sahab, how may I get married? You tell me, Judge Sahab, you tell me.
I strongly object, my lord. I don't accept this story. I'm thinking that he demands more money from my client because he became very selfish now. That's why he claimed to my client in this court. It seems, my lord, my client's parents always loves money. They know how to get money, but they don't know which type of problem is present in his son's life. So, my lord, please listen my client's problem. That's all, Your Honor. My lord, give me permission to call my client on the witness box.
Permission granted.
Please take oath. Whatever you will tell, everything will be truth and truth.
I do.
So, Mr. Sharma, please mention your point, which type of problem you are facing now. Please mention your point in front of the court.
My lord, I always very thankful to my parents who made me whatever I am. But I totally deny whatever they claim. Every month I send 5,000 rupees for their expenditure and ask if everything else, then you call me. And my lord, I am respect to my parents. But I have also responsibilities of my wife and I have to manage my own expenditure.
I objection, my lord. Only sending rupees 5,000 every month, it not shows that he is a very responsible person. Please, my lord, give me permission to call a helpless mother.
Permission granted.
Please take oath. Whatever you will tell, everything will be truth and truth. I do.
So, Mrs. Sharma, please tell whole the truth in front of our court.
My lord, I never forget my son for a single moment. I always pray for his success and happy life. But now we are facing lots of problems. I had also tried to decide our problem with his wife, but his wife refused to listen anything from us.
How dare you to say like that? Because I didn't say anything to anyone and you are blaming me?
Order, order. This is court, not your home. Whatever you want to say, come in witness box.
Please take oath. Whatever you will tell, everything will be truth and truth.
I do.
Your Honor, she is my client's wife. She wants to tell something in front of you. Please give me the permission.
Permission granted.
My lord, she is telling lying because she never come in front of us for taking help. Always they demand more money from us because they are too much selfish.
How can you say this, beta? I never discriminated between you and Jaya. I love you like a daughter.
No, my lord, always she discriminate her daughter Jaya to me because she is her own daughter, not aunt. Always she disdain me, not go here and there, put dupatta on the head, speak slowly. She should understand it is modern generation, it is my life, my right. I want to follow in traditional things or not. At that time, I was feeling like I am living in the jail. I was not
privacy there. There is no freedom for a woman.
Want to be noted, my lord. How this family against women about women's freedom? Then how can a woman survive oneself in this type of family? Really, it's a question, my lord. As we all are knowing that this is the generation of modern. Generation has become very changed. Now, according to the Indian constitution, right to equality, right to freedom also present. When women have some dreams, they have some rights. They want to do something for own self, for own family, for own society. But even then, this type of family always against him. Really, it is very unfair, Your Honor. Please do the justice.
No, my lord, it is totally wrong. I had taught her because it's our tradition and culture. If she didn't like, then she can discuss with me. I had never forcefully said to do all these things. I told her, like as a mother, I taught all these things.
Objection, my lord. Whatever my client had mentioned, that she has never told her as a forcefully. She told her as a like a mother.
Have you seen, my lord, how they are disputing to each other? That's why, my lord, I had to left my family, and I also suffered from their daily arguments and quarrel.
I want to say something, Judge Sahab.
Come to the witness box. Whatever you want to say.
How can you say that, beta? We never threatened your wife. We love your wife like Jaya. If we had done any mistake, then please forgive us, beta. Please forgive us. You come back to home, beta. Come back.
It's enough, Papa. Don't say sorry to them. They are selfish.
Order, order. This is court, not your home. Whatever you want to say, come in witness box.
Please take oath. Whatever you will tell, everything will be truth and truth.
I do. Your Honor, I am a sister of Mr. Sharma. Your Honor, after marriage, Bhaiya forget whole promises and responsibility towards us. In fact, he forgot that his poor father made his son an engineer. There is a sick mother who is waiting for his child. When my child will come? In fact, Bhaiya forget his responsibility. In fact, he forget his. I just promised to my sister, I will make you a doctor. You shouldn't do any job. Your Honor, he forgot all things. But even he is completing his one responsibility, his one duty, which is the duty of a perfect husband.
Can you just say, sister, I am not only paying your living, I have also responsibility of your bhabhi. She is doing the course of fashion designing in which huge amount is going. And I have to pay the rent of flat and mommy papa also.
Okay, then tell me, Bhaiya, only 5,000 rupees fulfill your whole promises which are given by you. It runs our living, medicine, my study or housing. Tell me, Bhaiya, tell me.
I object, my lord. My client has mentioned all the problems. Please do the justice, my client, Your Honor, who never forgets his own responsibility, which is present in his life. I am thinking that he is a good son and husband also. That's all, Your Honor. I
objection, my lord. It is not enough to fulfill his all responsibility, sending 5,000 only. Because our old father has given his all dreams, desire and even a whole property to make his career. And what his son done? After getting his job, he never tried to know about their actual condition of his family. So kindly, my lord, give permission to call the witness in the witness box.
Permission granted.
Please take oath. Whatever you will tell, everything will be truth and truth.
I do.
So, Mr. Sukla, can you tell in front of the court that why had my client mortgaged his all property to you?
Yes, my lord. Mr. Sharma has mortgaged his property for his son's study.
Okay, you may go now. I want to call my second witness in the witness box.
Permission granted.
Please take oath. Whatever you will tell, everything will be truth and truth.
I do.
So, Mrs. Malhotra, can you tell in front of the court that why had my client borrowed a huge amount from you?
Yes, my lord. I had given 2 lakh rupees for his son's study.
That's all, my lord. You may go now. Your Honor, I think my client had done a very huge mistake. He had to done same thing as like Mr. Rahul. He had given only money in front of Rahul and said, make your career better. I think then every parent should give only money in front of the children and say, make your career. There is no need of love, affection and care of parents. That's all, my lord.
After hearing all evidences and witnesses, the court has come to a conclusion. However, I would like to say that our senior citizens are the pillar of our country. Their moral and experience always work. Our parents serve their whole life for their children and expect only one thing: children would take care of their rest of life, but you didn't. Mr. Rahul Sharma, today you are an engineer. There are hard work and a lot of sacrifice or dreams back of your parents behind it. Today, your mother is ill, your father is in debt, your sister not able to complete her education, and you said you fulfill your responsibility by sending money. The emotional place cannot be fulfilled by sending money. Mrs. Sharma, because of a small dispute, you just left your in-laws house with your husband. Following tradition and culture doesn't mean that you lost your freedom and privacy. Under CRPC section 125, Rahul Sharma has bound to pay 25% of his salary. He have to regular pay a visit to your parents to check their goodwill and condition. And if possible, you will live together like before. The court has adjourned now.
Forgive me, Papa. Whatever we have done, we feel very ashamed.
It's okay, beta. It's okay.
God gives us life with happy and sad moments. But our parents always try to give us only happy moments. So, we should also give them happy moments and we should respect to them. We had done a drama on the basis of society problem. We shouldn't think that we can fulfill the need of our parents only by the help of money. Because our parents' happiness only present in their children's happiness. Now I want to tell one story related to our drama. फूल कभी दोबारा नहीं खिलते, जन्म कभी दोबारा नहीं मिलते. फूल कभी दोबारा नहीं खिलते, जन्म कभी दोबारा नहीं मिलते. मिलते हैं तो लोग हजारों, पर हजारों गलतियां माफ कर देने वाले माँ बाप कभी दोबारा नहीं मिलते. Thanks for watching this video. We will come soon with आपकी अदालत Part 4.